going, guys? Blue and Infamous. We out here at another house wash. We out here in P-Town today. We got a full house wash to do. We got some groundwork to do. You see, we don't have the other truck and trailer no more. Things have changed, as you see. Thank y'all for them views y'all been giving. We got more we're gonna be dropping. And you see what I'm doing. Mixing that good old SH. You know what I'm thinking, Mom?
What?
Maybe we go ahead and use foam cans, because that downstreamer, we using the Sudsucker downstreamer, man.
Mm-hmm.
It's good, but it go through this chemical like crazy. Let's use foam cans.
Alright.
Yeah, to save a little, because we're gonna waste some with that. But we're gonna be back, y'all.
So, this house was out in Portsmouth, Virginia. What they wanted to do was just get all four sides of the house pressure washed. I used foam cannons, my sage, surfactant. And what I did the front of the house first, and then the right side of the house first. For a second or something. Yeah, spray the house, man. I got the Sudsucker downstreamer, which is cool, but I already knew we was gonna have to go through a lot of SH. Reason being is that if I use downstreamer, I was going to encounter maybe the possibility of running out of SH. Using the foam cannons, I kind of, make sure I had enough. I can fill up a couple cannons and see how much I got left out of the 5 gal. I'm like, okay, that's good, whatever. But anyway, sitting in the house. The house had some real dark mold under the main window right there above the garage, and the other window in the second story up front. It was like a straight line, just full of black. It just took a while to come off. When you use a fresh SH in the cold, it just takes a little longer for it to do what it needs to do. So we just had to let the stuff sit in 12. And luckily, our surfactant from Dollar Tree worked. Okay, so right here, me and Maul, we are doing the concrete. Our surface cleaner for Amazon. Used it for a while. It actually does a worse job than the one we had previously, which was a Simpson, a little flat one with no wheels. Now, the reason I say this is that with the Simpson, I never had to go back over a spot. You had no lines, no nothing. And you can pretty much go pretty fast. But this one, you got to kind of go slower, which, it's not too bad, but, it still does a good job. So I go a little slower, make sure you don't get the lines. And what I do, I just go over the area, not the area twice, but once I go up and down, I go back up. Well, no. See, I just went up, I'm going down, go back up. There you go. Just make sure I'm not getting any of that. And then I bring the turbo nozzle afterwards and knock out anything that needs to be knocked out. This house, it was pretty bad, man. It accumulated a lot of algae, like bad, looked like some mold under the windows. And it was really thick, man. But good old SH, we were able to knock that out. This porch wasn't too bad. I wish we could have recorded more around on the back. I think we have some footage around the back, or maybe not. But it wasn't that bad.
We got them all right here. We're in the back part of the house right now. The back part wasn't too bad. We're gonna do this little slab over here also, the surface cleaner. And you just have some brown mold in front of the house. Hold on, I'm walking over here. It's not too bad. All this has been treated. I got a couple of areas we need to hit. it's freezing out here. It's been snowing. And you know, the SH takes a little while to do what it does in the cold. Got a little bit right here we gotta tidy up. And the front, under the windows, it's actually cleared up a little right there. But if you look over here, under the window, see that black mold? It's taking a while because of the SH. We got some hot mix, but you see it's snow out here. And this side over here, it's pretty good. Got a couple little touch-ups, but it's cold as crap out here, man. This is what we driving nowadays. No trailer, man. So we're just gonna brush this out for them. Hit it with a white tip. And just, you know, clean it up a little bit, tidy it up a little bit. That's all. And then we're gonna hit this.